Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video, I will show you how to protect a high voltage circuit from get damaged. In most of the cases, we have found to make a flyback driver or a stun gun circuit or a EMP circuit or ozone generator. We have seen that the basic problem is the damage of the MOSFET or the transistor. So most of the case, this MOSFET or transistor get damaged due to backsurge created in a high voltage circuit. So I think it is necessary to show you this video, because without that the most of the circuit we will create will get damaged. So let's see how we can protect a IC in a flyback driver or a high voltage circuit. So let's start. So friends, here is the circuit drawing for high voltage EMP. EMP means electromagnetic pulse. So I have used IRF Z44N. It consists of 3 pin: ground, drain and source. Always try to connect a capacitor with ground and source. I have used 150 NK 400 volt. Without this you have to lose this MOSFET several times. It will burn out. So always use this capacitor to protect this MOSFET. Use 100 ohms resistance, must be 3 to 5 watt. Primary winding 14014, secondary 600 to 800 turns, and here is the voltage multiplier. It consists of diode 1N4007, capacitor 681. So I basically use two type of capacitor. One is of 681K 2 kV, another is of 471K 2 kV, 5 piece each. Here will be 681, here will be 471K. So I think the circuit drawing is quite clear to all. Let's have a look. So friends, in this circuit the main thing is this capacitor. So I have used 0.15 microfarad capacitor here. A heat sinker is also essential. I have used IRF Z44N MOSFET. You can see it here. So the major thing is, here is the transformer which I have built with the help of old charger cover, and the main coil part is inside it. There is the 3 terminal 14, 0, 14, and here is terminal 1 and 2. Here is the primary coil and here is the secondary coil output. So after that I have connected the transformer output T1, T2, that is the secondary winding output, with this voltage multiplier. Here I have put about 10 capacitors of 2 kV and diode. The detailed circuit drawing was previously given in my different videos of high voltage. You can see it there. So you can see it here. The blue capacitors are inside it. So for a high voltage circuit, the major thing is transformer 1, voltage multiplier, and the driver circuit. So driver circuit, transformer, that is step up transformer, and the voltage multiplier. So it can be operated with the help of power bank or laptop, anything. So however, this is the naked version. I'll make it good looking version later. So let's test. So friends, you can see it here, the gap is about 6 mm. So 6 to 7 mm, that means it is producing about 6 into 3, about 18 kV to 20 kV. It is very small, you can see it here, very small USB version. So friends, I have built the outer casing, you can see it here, bottom and top cover with scrap plastic. Here is the pipe, PVC pipe, and this is the scrap plastic taken out from deodorant bottle. So let's see it is working or not. Yes, it is working fine. So friends, you can see the build part is completed, and I will test it how it works. So friends, I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations to get this type of video, and please don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.